Hi, and welcome to Eat with Casino Joe. Today we're joining Joe at a Waynesville, North Carolina favorite, Clyde's restaurant. They're known for their country cooking, amazing desserts, and southern hospitality. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to check out our other restaurant reviews. Thanks for being with us. Now let's find Joe.
Well, folks, I'm at Clyde's restaurant here in beautiful Waynesville, North Carolina, about 30 minutes from Cherokee, and I'm going to go in here and see what we got going on. I've got over 35 million views of my photos and videos on Google Maps. I do a review wherever I go, so that people can know what they expect. Give them a first-hand view, So let's go in here and I'm getting hungry now. How about that? And this is Madison, one of the owners here, and she's going to tell everybody about the specials, lunch specials.
Today we've got chicken pot pie and meat loaf.
Ooh, and fried chicken.
Fried chicken,
Yeah.
fried flounder,
Oh my
fried
goodness.
pork chops, roast
Yeah.
beef, and baked ham.
Yeah, and lots of sides, delicious sides to choose from. Okay, folks, I've had a wonderful waitress. She's been a delight. She's scooping out ice cream now on top of my dessert, which is a strawberry cobbler. And I'm going to give this thing a try. The meal was delicious. Everything was wonderful. Delicious meal. Oh, that wasn't mine? Oh, that is mine. Okay. And what was your name?
My name is Mecca. Mecca.
Okay. She's got a big salad here, so they have delicious salads too. Look. Let's say hello, Kentley.
Hi.
All my friends. Show them the back of your shirt too. There we go. We're the home folks.
We have new 80th anniversary shirts.
Oh, okay. Yeah, get there.
The new one.
Yeah, that's nice. Oh, yeah. Oh, I love that. That's nice. That's nice. But everybody, when you come in, just ask for Kentley. She'll be more than happy to help you out.
Yes, of course.
That's right. She's a sweetie.
Thank you.
All right, folks, I'm going to get busy on this. Oh, man, y'all missing out. Y'all better get down here. Oh, that looks so good. And then the delicious desserts. Don't you agree?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, my gosh. I had the strawberry cobbler with ice cream on top. That was good.
That's a good one.
Yeah, definitely. But y'all come down and say hello to everybody. All right. Thank y'all. Enjoyed it.
Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.